Will you consider yourself happy in your relationship? It's a curious question. Before you can be happy in your relationship, you must first understand why you are not. Many people wake up every day feeling unsatisfied but cannot put their finger on what exactly is wrong. Today, I want you to slow down and ask yourself, what's missing? Is it love? Is it communication? Is it attention? Is it respect? Or is it that your personal expectations are not being met? Sometimes, unhappiness in a relationship doesn't come from what your partner is doing, but from what you are expecting. I want you to take a quiet moment right now, close your eyes, and reflect, what makes me feel unhappy in this relationship? Is it loneliness even while together? Is it unresolved conflicts? Or perhaps, is it that I have lost connection with myself while trying to please my partner? Understanding the root of your unhappiness is the first and most important step toward finding joy again. Because without clarity, you will keep blaming your partner when, in fact, some of the answers are within you. Your happiness lies in your hands, so take responsibility for your happiness. Here is a truth many people avoid: your partner is not responsible for your happiness. You are. Yes, your partner should contribute to it, but they cannot be the source of it. If you rely solely on your partner to make you happy, you give away all your power. That's why, when they disappoint you, you feel completely broken. But if you learn to create happiness within yourself, through self-love, purpose, and inner peace, you will not only glow on your own, but you will also bring fresh energy into your relationship. Think about this: what are the things that make you happy outside your partner? Is it reading, dancing, your career, your faith, or even spending time with friends? Revisit them. Don't abandon yourself in the name of love. Remember, when you are full, you give love without expecting it to be returned in equal measure every single time. But when you are empty, you drain your partner with endless demands. From today, start taking responsibility for your happiness. Practice gratitude daily. Do something you love for yourself, not for anyone else. You will see how your energy shifts. Now let us talk about communication. Many relationships collapse not because there is no love, but because there is no honest communication. If you are not happy, keeping silent only deepens your pain. Your partner is not a mind reader. They may have no idea how you truly feel. That's why you must learn to express yourself, calmly, respectfully, but firmly. Say things like, "I feel lonely when we don't spend time together," instead of, "You don't love me anymore." One focuses on your feelings, while the other sounds like blame. Effective communication is about listening as much as speaking. When your partner responds, don't cut them off. Don't assume you know their intentions. Let them explain. Remember, sometimes, happiness comes not from fixing huge issues, but from simply feeling heard, seen, and understood. So now, I challenge you, write down 3 things that make you unhappy in your relationship. Then write down how you can express them without sounding accusatory. This is your first step toward building bridges of understanding. Now let us move to reconnecting. Every relationship goes through seasons. There are seasons of passion, and there are seasons where things feel dry and routine. If you are not happy right now, it may be because you have forgotten how to nurture the bond you once had. Think about when you first fell in love. You went on dates, you laughed at silly jokes, you dressed up for each other, you tried new things together. Somewhere along the line, comfort and familiarity may have replaced excitement. But here's the truth: romance doesn't just die, it needs to be fed. Happiness in a relationship is often found in little acts: a thoughtful message, cooking together, giving a surprise gift, holding hands in public, or simply saying, "I appreciate you." Right now, I want you to think about one small thing you can do today to rekindle joy with your partner. It doesn't have to be big. Maybe it's leaving a sweet note in their bag, planning a movie night, or asking them about their dreams again. Small actions consistently done create big happiness. By now, you have reflected on why you are not happy. you have taken ownership of your emotions, you have learned to communicate better, and you have found ways to reconnect. But the last piece is about choice. Happiness is not automatic, it is a daily choice. You choose whether to focus on your partner's flaws or their efforts. You choose whether to hold on to grudges or to forgive. You choose whether to complain or to be grateful. If after all efforts you still feel unhappy, you must also ask, is this relationship truly aligned with my peace and purpose? Sometimes, happiness comes from staying and rebuilding, and sometimes it comes from walking away. But remember this, no matter what, never lose yourself in the pursuit of love. Choose peace, choose growth, and choose joy. Because at the end of the day, the greatest relationship you will ever have is the one you have with yourself. So, as this episode comes to an end, I leave you with this truth: happiness is not found, it is created. And you have the power to create it, both within yourself and within your relationship. Being happy in a relationship when you're not is not about pretending, and it's not about waiting for your partner to fix everything. True happiness begins with self-awareness, taking responsibility for your joy, learning how to communicate openly, and intentionally keeping the spark alive. Remember, love is not just about emotions, it's about daily choices. Choose to focus on gratitude instead of complaints, peace instead of constant conflict, and growth instead of stagnation. If you feel unhappy, don't bury it. Reflect, speak up, reconnect, and nurture your relationship. But above all, never lose yourself in the process. The secret is simple: when you are happy within, you create a happier relationship without. So, don't just wait for love to make you happy, be the source of that happiness, and let it flow into your relationship. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Relationship and Marriage Tips Unveiled, for more insightful topics that will help you your growth a healthy relationship.